If you want to connect Joy-Cons to your PC with Steam, this video will walk you through the easiest way to pair them, configure them, and make sure they work properly in your games. Whether you want to use one Joy-Con at a time or combine both into a single controller, this setup can give you a smooth gaming experience on PC without needing extra hardware. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, make sure your PC has Bluetooth enabled. On Windows, open your Bluetooth settings from the Start menu or the Quick Settings panel. You want your PC ready to scan for new devices before you start pairing the Joy-Cons. This step is important because the Joy-Cons will only show up briefly in pairing mode, so having Bluetooth open first makes the process much easier. Next, take your left Joy-Con and press and hold the small round sync button on the rail. Keep holding it until the lights start flashing. Those flashing lights mean the controller is in pairing mode and ready to connect. Now look back at your PC's Bluetooth device list and wait for it to detect the controller. You should see it appear as Joy-Con left or Joy-Con L. Click to pair it. After that, repeat the same process with the right Joy-Con. Hold the sync button on the rail until the lights flash. Then select Joy-Con right or Joy-Con R from the Bluetooth list on your PC. Once both controllers are paired, your computer should remember them for future use, so you won't need to repeat the full process every time. Now that the Joy-Cons are connected to Windows, it's time to set them up inside Steam. Open Steam and go to the Settings menu. From there, choose Controller. This is where Steam lets you manage controller support and adjust how different devices behave in games. If you want the Joy-Cons to work better with Steam games, this menu is the key place to check. Inside the controller settings, make sure Steam input support is enabled for Switch Pro controllers. Even though Joy-Cons are not exactly the same as a Switch Pro controller, this setting helps Steam recognize Nintendo-style controller inputs more reliably. Turning this on can improve compatibility and make the controller mapping process smoother in supported games. If you want to use both Joy-Cons together as one single controller, look for the option called Combine Joy-Con Pairs. Turn that setting on. This is especially useful if you want a more traditional controller feel instead of using each Joy-Con separately. Once combined, Steam can treat them like one device, which can make gameplay feel more natural in many titles. If Steam still does not detect the Joy-Cons properly, or if the controls feel off, the next thing to check is your Steam client version. Make sure Steam is fully updated. Sometimes controller support issues are caused by outdated software, and a quick update is all it takes to fix a problem. After updating, restart Steam and check the controller settings again. If needed, you can also disconnect the Joy-Cons from Bluetooth and pair them again from scratch. That often helps if one controller connects but behaves strangely, or if Steam only recognizes one of them. The important thing is to pair them cleanly in Bluetooth first, then confirm the proper Steam settings so everything works together. Once everything is set up, launch a game and test the buttons, sticks, and movement to make sure the controllers are responding the way you want. If you combine the pair, test them as a single controller. If you left them separate, see how each Joy-Con behaves in Steam. That way you can quickly spot any mapping issues before you start playing. And that's how to connect Joy-Cons to your PC with Steam. It's a simple process once you know the steps. Pair through Bluetooth, enable the right Steam controller settings, combine the Joy-Con pair if needed, and make sure Steam is up to date if there are any problems. If this guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy PC and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.